Hidden Lake is a natural lake with a spectacular panorama, which serves as one of the attractions in UUM. Namely, Hidden Lake is because it is positioned hidden from the public. The lake is also known as Sintop Lake, since it is located in the middle of the Sintop forest and is protected by hills. Beautiful scenery, pleasant air, and a clean environment add to the beauty of nature in the surrounding area.
When I first lay my eyes on the lake, I can't help but feel the excitement and deja vu as it reminds me of my old days hiking with my dad. The feeling is particularly strong when the beautiful scenery surrounding Hidden Lake is paired with a clear and calm day. Me and my friends usually visit here on weekends, sometimes every weekend, to get away from the noises, the pressure on our daily life. We rarely see visitors from other students, but I don't know why. I don't even think that they realize that this place exists. I hope they will explore this place, the wonderful place, the amazing place one day. There are actually two paths to get to this lake. The first path, you have to go through the forest. You notice some huge figures on your way before you enter the forest. The forest path is rugged and more adventurous and suitable for those who like jungle trekking. The second path is a shortcut. It is said to be a safer and easier way since the path is less rugged. Along the way, there are different types of plants that are worth stopping to see.
Well, after discovering this hidden lake, we often take the shortcut by bike to come here. And sometimes we will invite our other friends to go on bushwalks and paddling in the lake. Of course, we also took many photos full of memories here.
Okay, so the activity we like the most is paddling, because paddling is an exciting activity for us, because when we paddle to the center of the lake, we stop and start admiring the surroundings of the lake.
I love how this place allows me to connect with the nature in a peaceful environment with a peaceful mind.
For me, this is a place where I can escape the chaos of my everyday life and spend time with my someone special or my friends.